Lecture 8. Definition of IS Audit. Dear student, we have discussed the information processing system previously. IS Audit is simply auditing the information processing system. IS Audit focuses on information and related systems of a general audit process. IS Audit examines and tests information systems to determine whether information systems comply with applicable laws, regulations, contracts, and industry guidelines. The systems and related processes comply with governance criteria and relevant policies and procedures. Data and information ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Information system operations are efficient and effective. During the audit process, the IS auditor reviews the control framework, gathers evidence, evaluates the strengths and weaknesses of internal controls based on the evidence, and prepares audit reports that present gaps and recommendations for remediation.